Rust-Oleum's Peel Coat is a removable rubber coating that lets you temporarily customize your vehicle. This unique coating sprays on easily and peels right off without any damage to the paint or body. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to customize your vehicle's bonnet. It's important that your car's bonnet is clean and dry. Before you begin, wash it with soap and water, rinse and let it dry completely. To avoid overspray, mask off your bumper, grille and windshield. To create stripes or achieve a fully custom look, you can also add tape or stencils. Read all instructions carefully before you begin to apply Peel Coat. Once ready, shake your can vigorously, no less than 1 minute after you hear the marble begin to rattle. To make application easier, use a Rust-Oleum comfort grip. It makes spraying more comfortable when painting a large surface. When you begin to apply Peel Coat, it's important to apply a very light mist coat. As you spray, hold the can 20 to 30 centimeters from the surface. Use a steady back and forth motion as you go, slightly overlapping each pass. If the first coat goes on too heavy, drips and runs can occur. We recommend you aim for about 50% coverage on the first pass. After allowing the first coat to dry, apply another 3 or 4 more liberal coats to the bonnet. To avoid dripping, wait about 10 minutes in between each coat. The more layers you apply, the thicker the coating will be and the easier it will be to remove later. Finish with one last medium weight coat to create a smooth final film. Once you complete the final coat, immediately remove any masking tape while the paint is still wet to ensure a crisp, clean line. Allow the hood to dry for at least 1 hour before touching it or driving. Wait a full 24 hours before washing your vehicle. When you're ready to remove the peel coat, slowly rub along one edge until it begins to peel off. Once you catch an edge, it should come off in large, easy-to-remove pieces. It's that simple. Congratulations, you're done. Now it's time to show off your custom paint job. For additional information and how-to videos on a wide range of Rust-Oleum products, visit rust-oleum.co.za.